Hello everyone! If you're a beginner cook and would like to know how to make some very easy potatoes, this is the video for you. Fill a deep skillet or a pot with water. Take some golden potatoes, not russet potatoes, and if they're small, cut them in half. If they're big, just cut them in smaller chunks. Add some salt and bring your water to a boil. Then add 2 teaspoons of rosemary, stir it and let it boil for about 20 minutes until your potatoes are soft. Take one of the potatoes and smash it with a fork on the plate to check if it's ready. Your potatoes have to be almost cooked or fully cooked. Then drain them through a colander and return them back to the skillet. However, make sure to turn your heat down. Now let's add some spices. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of dill. Add a few cranks of black pepper and maybe more salt if your water wasn't salty enough. Then take a plant-based sausage, cut it into nice little chunks, and add it to the skillet. Cook it for a few more minutes according to the directions on the sausage package. This is it. I hope you enjoy this recipe, so give it a thumbs up and thank you so much for watching.